Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add page borders in Google Docs. Currently, Google Docs for mobile does not have a built-in feature to directly add page borders. However, there are a few workarounds you can use to create a border-like effect on your mobile device. First of all, find the Google Doc, now open it. Now open the document where you want to add a border. Then tap onto the pencil icon at the bottom corner. Next, tap onto the plus sign icon in the toolbar at the top. Now to add the page border, you need to select the table option. Then edit the columns and rows that you want and tap onto insert table. And like this, you can add the page border to your document in Google Docs. And that's it. This is how you can add the page border in Google Docs using this simple trick. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.